This is how default shopping cart screen looks like. To place the order, let's look at each sections one by one. First, you need to choose the required number of users' license you wish to purchase. Here are some of the available payment methods. Please select one. To see all available payment methods, please select your country in the billing section. In the billing section, you are required to complete the necessary information like your full name, country, and email. Next, you need to enter the payment details. Once done, hit Continue button to proceed to the next screen. On the review page, you can verify the billing and delivery address details. In case you wish to keep the billing and delivery details separate, you need to edit the information. Please note, payment details such as invoices will only be sent out to billing address, whereas other address will only receive the product download URL and license key information. When the order is successfully placed, you will be notified with your order number. Save it for future reference to your purchase and to get customer support. First email will include the payment and order details, and it will be sent to provided billing email address. After few seconds, when the payment is processed, second email will be sent to the delivery email address with product details like license key and download information. Your order is complete. Thank you for purchasing Plagiarism Checker X. For more details, visit plagiarismcheckerx.com or plagx.com.